I tried to source a product with AI, and this is where normal chatbots start falling apart. Not because they are dumb, because running a real business workflow is not one question.
It is research, supplier comparison, pricing, negotiation, files, browser tabs, follow-ups, and then marketing. So today, I tested ACCIO WORK by giving it a real small business challenge. Could I take a random product idea, a windproof umbrella, and use AI agents to turn it into something closer to an actual sourcing and launch workflow? That is the part I care about. Not, can an AI write a paragraph? Can it help move the business forward? The idea was simple. I wanted to source a compact windproof umbrella for commuters, something you could sell as a travel umbrella for people who deal with rain, wind, and ugly city weather. Normally, doing this manually means opening a bunch of supplier pages, reading product claims, comparing minimum order quantities, checking price ranges, looking for red flags, writing supplier questions, then trying to turn all of that into a product angle. That is exactly the kind of boring operational mess where a solo founder loses half a day. So inside ACCIO WORK, instead of asking one chatbot to do everything, I built a small agent team. One agent for market research, one for supplier research, one for pricing analysis, one for negotiation prep, and one for marketing. This is what makes ACCIO WORK different from a normal AI chat window. It is built more like a business workspace where agents can have roles, use tools, browse, work with files, connect apps, and help execute parts of the workflow instead of only giving advice. For the first step, I asked the research agent to look at the windproof umbrella market and explain what people actually care about. Not just generic features, but buying reasons. Size, weight, wind resistance, automatic open and close, reinforced ribs, water-repellent fabric, warranty, and whether the umbrella can survive repeated use instead of flipping inside out once and dying. Then I moved to supplier research. And this is where the new update changed everything for me. ACCIO WORK just launched plugins, and this is the part that made the whole sourcing step feel almost unfair. A plugin is basically a ready-made toolkit that bundles the skills and the connectors an agent needs for one job. It works like a Chrome extension. You install it once, and from that point, the agent can just use it. No messing with settings, no wiring up tools manually, no setup tasks before you get to the actual work. For sourcing, the one I cared about is the ACCIO Sourcing Expert plugin, because ACCIO WORK is powered by Alibaba.com. So instead of writing a long prompt and hoping the agent figures out where to look, I installed the plugin, connected it, and just asked the agent to go find me the best supplier for a compact windproof umbrella. That is it. The plugin handled the heavy lifting underneath. It came back with real supplier candidates and the stuff you actually need to judge them. Store ratings, reorder rates, MOQs, and price ranges, laid out so I could compare instead of drowning in 20 tabs. The point is not just to answer. The point is to collect, organize, and compare. Then tell me what I should verify before trusting any listing. And this is the real business problem. When you are alone, you are not just the founder. You are the product researcher, sourcing manager, pricing analyst, negotiator, listing writer, and operations person. ACCIO WORK is basically trying to give you that team as agents. The pricing agent then turned the messy research into a comparison view. What supplier looks cheapest? Which one looks more professional? Where the risk might be? What details are missing? And what I need to ask before ordering a sample. That last part matters. A bad AI tool will tell you, this supplier looks great. A useful business workflow should tell you, do not trust the listing yet, ask about wind resistance testing, reinforced ribs, material, sample cost, delivery time, private label options, and what happens if the first batch has defects. Then the part that surprised me. Inside the same plugin, I could tick the suppliers I liked and let ACCIO WORK run the inquiry and negotiation for me. It messaged suppliers, bargained on sample pricing, bulk pricing, logo customization, packaging, shipping to the US or EU, and small first orders. Then did the same across every supplier I picked so I got a clean comparison at the end. No robotic copy-paste. It actually knew the dropshipping and bargaining details well enough to push back. Then I gave the marketing agent the same product context and asked it to turn the umbrella into a launch angle. It came back with a simple positioning idea: a commuter umbrella for people who are tired of cheap umbrellas dying in one storm. From there, it can help build product page copy, TikTok ad hooks, Amazon-style bullets, and even a basic content plan. That is the workflow I liked most. It feels less like asking AI for random ideas and more like pushing one business problem through several specialized roles. ACCIO Work also has automations, which fit this use case. After finding a few competitors, you can schedule monitoring, price changes, new product angles, reviews, or competitor campaigns. Instead of checking everything manually every week, you can have an agent keep watching and summarize what changed. It also has browser tools, automations, channels, and team workspaces. And plugins now roll the old skills and connectors into single installable toolkits, so your agents can operate inside the same environment where your business work happens with way less setup than before. The honest limitation is that you still need to guide it. You cannot just say, "Make me rich with umbrellas," and expect magic. You need to give it a real direction, check the outputs, validate the suppliers, and decide what is worth acting on. That is why I think ACCIO Work makes the most sense for people who are actually trying to build something. E-commerce sellers, solo founders, agencies, operators, creators launching products, or anyone who has too many small business workflows and not enough people to run them. My takeaway is simple. If your business problem has multiple steps, do not test ACCIO Work like a chatbot. Test it like a team. Give it a real objective. Build the agents around the work. Let them research, compare, organize, and draft the next actions. Then judge it by the result. For my test, the windproof umbrella workflow was the right kind of example because it is messy enough to be real, but simple enough to understand. Product idea, supplier research, negotiation, launch copy, competitor monitoring. That is where agentic business tools start to make sense. I will leave the ACCIO Work link in the description. Try it with one real business idea, not a fake prompt, and you will understand pretty quickly whether an AI agent team fits your workflow.